Hi and welcome back. So, having an unboxing. Got this for my birthday off my brother. Haven't looked inside yet. So, give me a second to take this cellophane off and we'll have a look inside the box. Right, so let's see what's inside. So, start with some chrome bits. I'll be stripping the chrome off all this because the Batmobile isn't chromey. It's too bright. People would see it coming. I do know why they do these chrome parts though. They do it for the younger modelers because it looks nice for them, and it just looks nice for them and it attracts them. Not sure. Got our glass canopy. So have a look inside this bag. So we've got two parts. They're on the floor, nice detail there. Body's all in one part. That's nice. See what's in this bag. This looks like it's the cockpit. I think we'll call it a cockpit with it being a Batmobile. Nicely detailed parts again. Lots of detail on this. Quite impressed. Obviously for his door, car door, which is a funny one in this Batmobile. Oh, we get a display. I think with this, when I get to it, I'm going to light this up. Nice rubber tyres. It comes as well with a fold out background that I can use. I'm not sure if I will use this though. Takes up a lot of space, so I don't think we'll be using that. Instruction manual. Not a lot of instructions. Well, the metal bars so the wheels turn. That's good. The engine pulls forward out. And we have a choice of having the computer panels up if we want them, the guns open or closed. I think we're going to add some lights as well, so we'll have the lights at the back lit up. We'll add some LEDs in for where it flames out, and we'll have his headlights lit up. So a bit of electrics as well. It's a nice size piece as well, 1:25 scale. So this will be on the bench in a couple of weeks. We'll probably start building this alongside other things. But yeah, this should be good fun, a Batmobile. My brother might have opened a can of worms, because there's another 12 vehicles in the same scale for Batman available. So I might have to do them all. But that's another building project in the future. But just thought we'd have a look at the Batmobile, because the Batmobile's cool. And this is the Michael Keaton Batmobile, which is doubly cool. Yeah, gonna enjoy this. Right, but thank you for watching this unboxing video. I don't do them often, but they're always good fun and to have a few ideas. Keep trekking, keep modelling. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.